and time fly. Can't stop, won't stop, hit the skyline while everybody else flies, cause I'm down right. Keeping things on lock, I'm about mine. Sipping on the cruise shots and time fly. Can't stay in one place, we were outside, going at it all day till it's nighttime. Now I can't see straight, but it's alright, I'm doing things my way.
Hey guys, I'm Elham. Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are on a little adventure trying to find a natural hot spring with no address at all. We've been driving around the desert since early morning, hoping we'll finally find it. After that, we are leaving the city and heading to our village. Things aren't great, the internet is down, and staying here just doesn't feel safe. Our garden house feels like the best option right now. Guys, there are some industrial buildings around here, so we stopped to ask which way to go to the hot spring. That's funny, guys. Remember that road we opened? We really shouldn't have. It's private and not meant for everyone. Honestly, I don't know why we are so determined to get there. The cars can't even pass, but we are giving it a try.
Take the lie with you and you go. You're not coming knocking on my door now. I try to lie, was it always so? Cause nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before. Why didn't I do more? Now I'm picking up the pieces from the floor. How could we just ignore our problems? Now they pour out, filling up the room.
Guys, sorry I didn't get any footage from the hot spring. They've got separate pools for men and women in Iran. That's just how it is, so I couldn't really film anything. The staff said we shouldn't shower for at least 24 hours after the pool to let the treatment do its thing. Guys, we are at our garden house and the weather's perfect. We are cooking gashaduk over the fire. It's a delicious Persian dish and it's got a nice sour taste. We had to sum up our groceries on the terrace because the fridge is full. Luckily it's cool outside, so nothing going to spoil.
این سوسه که زدیم کلا میسوزونه. اون چهارشاخش رو چجوری میاری؟ اون چهارشاخه رو با چوب بیار. بر بیار. یادتون شیرایی میفته. برگشتنی جادهش بهتر.
Hey guys, good morning! We just got off and come outside to the garden to snack on some cherries.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero. hate to lie with you when you go. You're not coming knocking on my door now. I try to lie, was it always so? Cause nothing feels the same anymore. I've seen this all before. Why didn't I do more? Now I'm picking up the pieces from the floor. How could we just ignore our problems? Now they pour out, filling up the room with silence. Can you be my nightlight? And I'll be your superhero. Superhero. Can I be your superhero? I'm sorry if it's taking me a while. I'm trying to figure out who I am. The city lights are keeping me up at night, so I don't even bother going to bed. I'm tired of wasting away my time. I would give up everything to be near you. Oh, I miss the days when you were mine, but I can be your superhero.
چیز شد اینا بزرگتر شدن سر شدن. خیلی خوشگله. چیزی هست. برگاش هم به شرومه.
Guys, we came by to visit my grandma. Let me show you her yard. We bought some new cabinets for my grandma and we are installing them now. We'll hang around for a bit to tidy up the house, then head back to our garden house to cook dinner. Tonight's dinner is dolma badamjun and it's really good. I'm actually allergic to eggplant, but I can't help it, it's too delicious. This is Persian incense we burn to keep away the evil eye and bad vibes. Normally we use an incense burner and let the smoke drift around our heads or the room, but today we are tossing it right onto the fire.
لاستیک باز شد
Guys, hope you like this vlog. It's been 2 days and things still aren't normal here, so we're sticking around for now. I'll be sharing the next vlog soon. Love you all and catch you in the next one. Bye.